We'll go straight to our program guest now, the Shadow Treasurer Joe Hockey, who joins us from our Sydney studios. Good morning, welcome.
Good morning, Barry.
In what way is the Australian economy in crisis? What justifies the use of the term budget emergency?
Well, we didn't say the economy is in crisis. We said the budget is facing huge challenges. We use the term budget emergency because this government keeps promising surpluses, but it actually never delivers. Now, the challenge for Australia is this: we are a net importer of capital, and we rely on money coming from the rest of the world every year to fund our lifestyles. Between $40 to $50 billion, it varies around that amount. Our banks borrow 20 to 30% of their money from overseas. And when the federal government is in the marketplace borrowing money in competition with the banks, and up to 86% of that money that the federal government borrows comes from overseas, we make ourselves more vulnerable and not less vulnerable to international market volatility. And that's why, Barry, we've got to get to surplus and do it fast.
And yet all three rating agencies give Australia a AAA rating, and I don't think that's ever happened before.
Well, we can argue about the whole Fitch rating, which is very cute of Wayne Swan, but the fact is Standard & Poor's gave us a AAA rating under the coalition when Labor last lost it. Now, what we've seen is the rest of the world deteriorate, so Australia looks pretty good against a number of other countries. But the challenge for us, Barry, is that our competition has changed. Our competition isn't Europe, and it's not the United States in many areas. Our competition is Asia for manufacturing jobs, South America for resource supplies. The world's changed, and we've got to compete with the fastest runners in the field, not some of the slowest.